Hello everyone, welcome back to our series where we help you master in Excel and boost your productivity. And today we are diving into the powerful world of pivot tables and pivot charts in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up your skills, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Okay, first let's understand what pivot tables are and why they are so useful. Pivot table allows you to summarize, analyze, explore, and present your data efficiently. They are especially handy when dealing with the large data sets. Okay, so here our simple data set, and it's include like the sales data with columns for date, reasons, sales persons, and the sales amount. Okay, so insert a pivot table. Simply click anywhere inside your data yet a data set, and then go to the insert tabs on the ribbon and select the pivot tables. Okay, and it also here it's pivot tables purpose with the pivot tabs dialog box. Then here the automatically select the range like this one. Then choose here we want to the pivot table report to be placed. For this, we will select the new worksheet. Then click on the OK. Now that we have our pivot table instead of let's build a step by step. On the right hand side, we will use the pivot table fields panes over there. Okay, so this word you can drag the drop files the build of your tables. So here we have the several fields like filter, columns, rows, and also the values. So let's start by adding regions or this one into the field to the rows and drag the regions, or you can just easily select it or drop into the rows area. Next, let's add the sales amount or to the values area. So drag sales amount, drop into the various boxes. Okay, so more details view, you can add another fields to column area. So let's use the product to our filters area to filter by data, or also the here, or you are here I can easily columns to the here the salesperson I want to be used, or the filters area. Okay, you can and now easily filter data by the salesperson by clicking over here. Okay, so now that we have a basic pivot tables over here, so you can easily find out a little bit zoom in this one. So here are the total sums of this grand total, product C, and this is the product B. This is the product A, and this is the difference values we used for over there. So here you can see the total sums of the east, total sums of the north, or you can easily visualize this one. So now that we have the pivot table, and let's create a pivot chart to visualize this data. Okay, so click anywhere in your pivot table, then go to the pivot table, analyze, and select the pivot table or pivot charts. And here you can see the pivot charts and choose the type or chart types you prefer. For this tutorial, let's select. We all select a column chart or a column charts over here, and like I want to use the cluster column chart, then hit on the OK. So you can customize your pivot charts just like any other charts in Excel. So like change the chart styles by clicking over here, use the design tabs, and you can easily have the different chart types by using or by selecting from there. Okay, so now that we have our charts over here, and if you want to change these chart types by using the chart or change chart types, and now you can easily use a different chart type by using this way. So, okay, so and you can easily add the here titles or the difference element by clicking or use the add charts element. Like if I want to use the axis titles, now you can see we have the axis titles, or if you use the chart titles, you can easily use the chart titles over here. Okay. Okay, so now let's explore some advanced feature to tips to make the most out of the pivot tables and pivot charts, so you can group data in pivot tables for better analysis. So like here, if I make it that group it with this one, just select the data and the right click and use the group and give here the groups means like you can use the like if I want to say that east, or I just say this is the one group, so it is not this one and this is the different groups. Okay, and choose how you want to group the data, such as by month or the quarters, or if you want to use this one, you can easily use it. Okay, and if you want to create the or calculate the fields and create the calculated fields or customs calculation, so by using the pivot table, analyze, use the field over here, calculated fields, you can have the different calculated field with the formulas and the options. Okay, so remember to refresh your pivot table. If the source data changes, and click on the right click on the pivot table and select the refresh, and it will give you the update data. And also let's use if you want to filter out this pivot table very easily, you can use the slicer. So Slicer provides a user-friendly way to filter data. So go to the or click on over here and use the pivot analyze. Yeah, use the insert slicer, and you can have the different slicer. Like if I use the slicer with the sales of hour, or I can just say this one, or here or since I use the product, and here we have this one, then hit on the OK. Now that we have the two slicer over here, you can easily select and you can easily show us up to your data with the slicer. Like if I use this, it is only this one, and this is the product. If I only the product and this one data in your pivot charts. Okay, so you can also your data with you can easily filter with by using or inserting the timelines. So by going to the or click over here and go to the design tabs of our pivot table, analyze and insert the timelines. And now you can see we have the different timelines. You can easily filter out these timelines, and you can get the data in your pivot tables. Okay, so this is for today's tutorial on pivot tables and pivot charts in Excel. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and happy excelling.